You don't need a fancy new truck to do dryer vent cleaning. This is my dryer vent cleaning truck. It's a 2010 Ford Escape Hybrid, and it actually works really well as a work truck. It has a ladder rack on top for my extension ladder. The look of it is kinda timeless. It's a nice boxy SUVs. A lot of new SUVs are coming out with these boxy looks, so it really blends in. It doesn't look like that old of a vehicle, and there's a lot of surface area. You could do a nice wrap. You could do lettering. We have a wrap design ready. We just have to put it on, and it's gonna look great. Now let's talk about the most important part. Do you have enough room for your stuff? Well, with the seats folded down, it makes a completely flat loading area, so this is what you get, a flat loading area. So I have these milk crates, everything is secured nicely, nothing really moves around. I could have a lot of overstock. That's one thing that we were worried about with the company, was if we'd have enough of these dryer flex be able to fit and other supplies, because I sell a lot of them every single day. But there was plenty of room. I have that bucket there that kind of doubles in case I need a bucket, or I could use it as storage as well. I'm able to fit this Gorilla ladder, and that ladder is actually tall enough to get on most one-story homes. So if you're doing one story and you don't have a ladder rack or an extension ladder, you can get one of these Gorilla ladders and do your one stories. It's a great ladder. Since I do 5 to 7 jobs every single day, it's very important for everything to be right where I need it. So I have my vacuum right here. This is the vacuum that I use for dryer vent cleaning. And then that bag, that's the full kit. I could do a full house dryer vent cleaning with just that kit. And then if it's a one story, I'll use that ladder in the truck. If it's a two-story, I will use the ladder on top of the truck, the flat loading area in the back, but you could also open the doors and have really good access. I keep some of the tools that I don't use at every job here, just a little toolbox with all these random tools that I might need someday, but usually don't use them. I keep all my cleaning supplies over here. I'm kind of obsessed with cleaning this truck. In here is a bin that I found. I keep some supplies there. And then just one of these yellow totes is perfect, so everything fits in good. Nothing's rolling around at all. And then inside here is the stuff that I almost never use, just random stuff that I use once in a while and don't need access to it right away is over there. And then now let's look at the front. This car is the most comfortable car I've ever driven. The seating position is perfect, just like sitting on a chair. And this is super important. This is an actual outlet that you could plug in any of regular household stuff. So I use it to charge my drills. I always have my drill charged. I don't need to charge it at customer's house. I think that's unprofessional. So I always have a drill battery in there ready to charge. The storage in this truck is super, super practical. There's so many storage areas. Everything is right where you need it. I like that it has the CD player. That's my favorite position for putting a phone mount. So it goes in there really good. Everything held up well. This truck, we've been using it for many years. It has over 200,000 miles and everything's still intact. The interior is really rugged and built to last. Nothing really gets damaged that much, and everything is really easy to fix. Like the pistons for the trunk was easy. The taillights are easy to change. This ladder fits in there perfectly, lean to one side. I have it secured with a bungee cord, so it's not going anywhere. And overall, this is just a great truck for doing any type of work, especially dryer vent cleaning. And if you want to see how I clean a whole dryer vent and the inside of the dryer in under 45 minutes, check out this video over here.